Oh, there's the trophy, and we await the captain, Natasha Ndoa, as she comes through, maybe to receive the trophy on behalf of the team in front of highly esteemed delegates. The first person to hold the trophy says it all. The man behind the vision and the dream of the Heart Women's Soccer League, and the mantra has been follow the heart, and we have been moving with our hearts. The emotions were great, fair play was on point. I mean, it is a very great moment, and Natasha Ndoa comes through to receive the trophy as the teammates sing to celebrate off camera. The medal is being fixed in place. There is Natasha Ndoa, proud Zimbabwean, in an interview, so proud to speak in her vernacular. There she is holding the trophy, the winner of the Heart Women's Soccer League, the first league and the first tournament in 2024, and she is privileged to hold the trophy. The teams come through, the fireworks, it speaks of the atmosphere. All you want to do is just lay a hand on that trophy, and the Chipungu have done it. They are taking it home along with the 10,000 United States dollars prize. Chipungu Queens have done it. They have made it to the end. There they are, lifting a trophy that somehow maybe many might feel would be lifting them, but it is the ladies that are lifting the trophy. Now setting up for a very good picture. I see very happy smiles, some of them biting that gold medal. Is it real? Is it me holding it? And it is, seems like everyone is doing it. So important, a golden smile with a golden trophy. Chipungu Queens are the winners of the inaugural Heart Women's Soccer League Tournament 2024. And there is maybe the goalkeeper's coach. Come on, the joy is contagious. Mhlanga on that near side, who scored the last goal that made sure Chipungu Queens had 4 goals in the good against the Black Mambas. Celebrations, I know they are going to continue, and I am one. I would love to celebrate with them as well.
Sure, who wouldn't want to celebrate? And the sponsor is there. And that song goes on again.
Indeed, they would love to sing this one. Sly Magaya. The ladies are happy. Their stage was set, and they managed to perform, outdo themselves. And here they are today, wearing the gold medals and holding the trophy.
Okay, Prophet, are you happy with what you have seen here today?
I'm over the moon. I'm very much excited. You know, having plus or minus 800 people for 5 days at one place and achieving what we have achieved, I tell you, I'm quite excited. The ground was full. It is an achievement for us and the Heart Group itself.
And if you are quantifying at this tournament, where would you put the value of the input that is made?
I can't really pick a value, but you can calculate on your own. Food for 800 people for 5 days, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, staying at a hotel. I think the value will tell you that we have well surpassed the 320,000 that we had promised for this league. We are way above that, but in joy, we are not complaining. We are excited because the results are amazing. Look at the joy that the kids have for the first time to see them at something like this. Look at the number three Soviet is celebrating, meaning that they've cherished even their 3rd position. So we are quite excited.
And if this is the start of a journey, where do you want to take it?
Allowed, if if you're allowed, we want to throw the same mood, the same vibe into the men's league as well. I don't know if you're going to be allowed, but if you're allowed, we want to throw it in the men's league. We want to throw it in different divisions, northern, eastern, southern, so that we have the vibe of football coming back to our country. So the heart group is willing to go beyond this league and go beyond only ladies and go even to the boys and support them. So we are willing to go that far. Yeah. A group of women's league that started this women's football club. They came and they requested for me to put my name into the Zifa competitions of the Zifa Boss, to become the Zifa Boss. I said to them, I will request to my family and see if my family gives me a note, but I've received their request, so it's now up to my family and my church to say should I proceed, and also analyzing if surely we can come and change the face of the game if we get into that position. So I've received their request. It's not only them, another group of people came as well with the same request, and I gave them the same answer that now I'll go to my family and also my church and ask them if it's possible that I can lead the Zifa position. Yes. I think by mid-October, 1 or 2 weeks, to just analyze and see what's on stake, what can I change, how can I help. Yes, thank you.
This is Zifa TV, hakudima CV, Sly Media TV, and this sport and dream street ngazoona ndapa news ndakawandwa name of views, Sly Media TV mandi chinjira ang my dreams.